This fire-breathing tissue paper roll dragon craft is so fun. It allows you to recycle and have fun at the same time. To make your own, you need tissue paper rolls, construction paper, 2 medium pom-poms, 2 small pom-poms, 2 medium googly eyes, red and yellow tissue paper, glue, and a glue gun. Cut some construction paper to the size of the roll and use glue to attach it. Use a glue gun to attach the eyes to the pom-poms. Then attach the eyes and nose to the tissue roll. For the fire, I use red and yellow tissue paper cut into long, pointy strips. Use the glue to attach them to the inside of the paper tube. To make the dragon blow fire, have your kids take a deep breath, put their mouths to the end, and blow. They are extremely easy to make and great for a rainy afternoon craft. Thanks for watching, and make sure to join me next week.